It's another video. Waypoint on the
guides my hand. So, you're the one who took care of the undead at our gates. Thank you for that. It's been a while since any visitor's been able to walk through them. But I won't lie, we are in dire straits here. My men's weaponry won't survive another round like that one. Talk to Paulie, the blacksmith, and bring me what he's got finished. Then we can talk.
What could I do for you? Let me guess. Asmir sent you. He knows I can see him, yeah? Well, like I told the last guy, weapons take time to forge. I'm working as fast as I can, and that's fairly fast, all right? I'm sorry. The stress is eating everyone alive. Here, I've got half the lot done. Just take him to the man. Hopefully, that will hold them for a little while longer. No? Well, good luck out there. What could I do for you? No? Well, good luck out there.
We're back. And with half the order, no less. I wish this were enough, but more and more these undead are rising, and my men are tired. Still, thank you. We will make do. Now, I'm certain you didn't come all this way to deliver me a bundle of swords. What brings you to Guard's Watch?
I'm looking for Queen Ascilla's former handmaiden. The girl's life is in grave danger.
A handmaiden? Gods, I didn't know. Her home isn't far, just up the trail from here beyond the graves. I'd join you if I could, but...
It's all right. I understand. Don't worry. I will find her. I am Blade and Fury incarnate.
What does shop have to offer? Loading time. Nothing else at the moment. First kill of the day. Oh, it's already here. First check. Well, it's not available yet. So. Talk to blacksmith.
Need something reforged? Salvaged, maybe? The job well done. What could I do for you? The job well done. do for you? Most appreciated. Need something reforged, shall we? No? Well, good luck out there.
Look at this. That's annoying.
Stand a chance.
Light the candle.
Finally, a little light. Wait. That blood. I'm too late. Never rush a child.
So, of course you did not. Now I recognize my old student's handiwork. The body is still warm to him. You may wish to stand back. Your animation can be unpredictable. I don't want to stand back. I want to stand in the middle. So, Rafa, guide my voice to the soul of the recently slain. Return to us, child. We have one final task for you.
Stop torturing me! I didn't do anything! I told you everything!
So, it's alright. No one can hurt you anymore. You're safe now. That woman, the one who hurt you. What did she want?
She wanted the location of the Queen's tomb. I told her I didn't want you, but she made me. They buried the Queen in the old garden, hid her tomb underneath, so no one would ever just
Ending now?